it's your host, KC, and we have another Glitter Dots Challenge! Today, we're having a shoe decorating competition. It's gonna be glitter dots versus glitter, and they're using tropical colors. Let's meet our contestants. Representing Team Glitter Dots, we have JJ! And decorating with glitter, we have Sandy! But what the contestants don't know is that during this competition, we're gonna be using the Super Fan! The precision with the glitter dots is amazing. Look how easily the glitter dots stick on there. The color stays exactly where JJ puts it. Looks like Sandy's off to a good start too. She's mixing all her colors together. Oh, but it looks like she's slowing down now that she has to work on the sides. JJ is concentrating hard and moving fast. She's squishing like a pro. Sandy, how's it going?
Great.
Great. Wow, look at your shoe. What is your strategy?
Just go whatever I want.
Huh, does that seem to be working for you?
Yep.
Very cool. Can I see your hands?
Yeah.
Wow, those are messy. Oh, and you seem to be having a little trouble getting the glitter to go exactly where you want, don't you?
Yeah.
Well, I'll check in with you later, okay?
Okay.
Hey, JJ, how's it going?
Good.
It looks amazing. Do you have any strategies right now?
I'm doing one section at a time.
It looks really great. It's so precise and neat, and those tropical colors look amazing.
Thanks, Casey.
You're welcome. I'm gonna let you keep crafting.
All right, see you in a bit.
JJ is really cruising along, but let's see what happens when we activate the Super Fan.
How's it going over there, Sandy? Not so good. The glitter's going everywhere. It's not doing anything to me.
10 seconds left, contestants. Clean up your stations. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up.
Yes.
Okay, Sandy, tell me about your shoes.
Well, they're very sparkly. The desk is messy. Other than that, I feel great about it.
They are very sparkly, you're right, and you do have a bit of a mess. I'm gonna have a lot to think about.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye, Casey.
Hey, JJ, let's look at your shoes. Wow, all of your lines are so clear. You used some layering techniques. These are just great. And your station is so clean.
Thanks.
How do you feel?
I feel like it turned out really good.
I think you're right. This was a close competition, but there can only be one winner. And the winner is JJ! That means she gets her own fashion show. But you know what that also means? Sandy gets glitter drops! Thanks for watching our Glitter Dots Challenge! See you next time. Bye! Crayola Glitter Dots can be found at the Crayola aisle at your local store.